What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to the workbench. If you watch any woodworking channels, you know that woodworkers just lap this stuff right up. We eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We love this stuff. We put it on our projects. We put it on our cast iron tools to stop rust. It really is an amazing product. But not many people know that there's a way to make this even better than it already is. You can use paste wax, like I said, for a lot of different things. What we're mainly going to be talking about here is lubricating fences to slide on your rails, your crosscut sleds, and even the bottom of hand planes, anywhere you're trying to decrease the amount of friction you normally have. This also, like I said in the beginning, is a great rust preventative. Now, most woodworkers are going to get a clean rag or t-shirt or something. They're going to dip it in. They're going to take the bottom of their crosscut sled or whatever kind of sled, and they're going to wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Right, that does produce sufficient result, but you can add a little drop of something that makes it so much better. And you're going to need a few paste wax, some kind of special container. You're going to need to steal a utensil. Hopefully my wife doesn't watch this video. And the magic secret ingredient that makes this work so much better, way better than any paste wax you've ever used: boiled linseed oil. I know, it's not too much of a shocker. I'm just surprised that I haven't seen any videos of people, especially the big woodworkers, telling people to do this. All I do is I just chew up some of this paste wax, put it in there, and you do want an airtight jar, and then just a sprinkle of boiled linseed oil. Now, we may do some more. Stir it up, check your consistency. I'll show you the consistency you're looking for, because you don't want it too wet. You don't want it too dry. Now that's kind of the consistency we're looking for. It really reminded me a lot of room temperature butter, where it's kind of smushy, but it'll still keep its shape. So let me show you what a difference this really makes, because I know a lot of y'all are thinking I'm full of it right now. So this sled was done with paste wax straight out of the can. This sled was done with my homemade paste wax, or with the additive. So let's just do a little thumb flick. They're both at the edge. All right. Now, that's not completely scientific. I mean, we can do it again. It's just amazing the difference that this stuff makes. For those of y'all that still aren't believers, I'm going to flip this over now. And yes, this was a crosscut sled made from a failed project. And then we're going to be just applying it like you would any other paste wax. Alright guys, so we just got finished with the board. I'm going to bring the camera back around at the angle we saw, do the same little thumb test, and we'll see how far it goes. We're right up against the edge. Now I think last time it maybe moved about 3 inches or so. That is more than double. I mean, it's crazy the amount it makes. It's a dream to use now. Woo! Gotta be careful. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up. Like I said, I don't want to draw this video out. I just wanted to give you a quick little tip. I'm not saying this is the end all be all. Every woodworker likes different kind of finishes. But what I am saying is it's worth giving it a shot. So next time you go to use paste wax straight out of the can, just take 2 seconds, get a little bowl, mix up a little bit with some boiled linseed oil, and see if you like it. You got nothing to lose. Check out where to get some channel stickers. I'll put a link for that in the description below. So until next time, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace! I do a little bit of woodworking, metalworking. I'm not great at anything, but I'm good at a lot.